You can easily fix the P1338 engine code by replacing the camshaft position sensor. It indicates a camshaft position sensor fault on bank 1, characterized by an open circuit or a short to positive, meaning the engine's control module has detected a problem with this sensor or its wiring. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. Method 2. The camshaft position sensor. The camshaft position sensor is typically located in the valve cover near the top of the engine, or it may be positioned at the front or rear of the cylinder head. Begin by carefully removing the camshaft position sensor from the vehicle. Inspect it visually to ensure it hasn't been contaminated by leaks from other engine components. Next, use a multimeter to test the sensor. If no reading is detected, this indicates a faulty sensor that requires replacement. Also, check if the sensor's O-ring has fallen into its mounting hole before installing a new camshaft position sensor. This error occurs in OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in BMW models, Jaguar, Peugeot, and Mini Cooper. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.